Hey there, friends. My name's Brian. I'm the host of a show called Good Podcasting and a content creator on YouTube at a channel called Summit City Studios. And I just want to welcome you, however you happen to be engaging in this content. I love to help people create, launch, and grow their shows. That's why I created this channel. I've got a lot of tutorials, a lot of reviews, and a lot of tips and ideas, and talk a lot of technology here on YouTube on this channel about podcasting to help you get your head around how to do it and how to do it well and how to be successful as you start your podcast. My show that's primarily been audio only called Good Podcasting. I do the same thing, helping people create, launch, and grow their podcasts, but it's primarily for people who don't have the time to sit down in front of a computer and watch the content. So they just listen as they drive, as they commute, as they work out, as they walk, however you want to listen, however you consume your podcast. That's why I created two separate shows. But I'm excited about where we're going in 2024. And one of the things that is going to happen is that we're going to be merging Good Podcasting with Summit City Studios. We're going to do one type of content and we're going to put it in multiple places instead of recycling and doing it twice. We're going to do it all at once. So if you're watching on YouTube, welcome. If you're joining us, you're going to get some episodes of Good Podcasting here. But if you're listening because you've been a listener of Good Podcasting, you've been unaware of our YouTube channel, if you'd like to bump over and watch episodes of Good Podcasting and all the other video content I create, you'll find that over at Summit City Studios. I'll talk more about that. I'm going to talk more in our first episode of Good Podcasting in this new year about where we've been in 2023, some of the roadblocks and the hiccups that I've experienced in my life and as it relates to my content creation journey. But I'm really looking forward to sharing about where we're going in 2024. So look for the first episode, the first real episode of Good Podcasting to drop in just a couple days. I'll see you then.